Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to restore the headlights on a Mercedes W203. As you can see, this one has the yellowish film on it. You see that this one is more clear, but this one is definitely getting foggy. So in order to do that, stay with us to see how we're gonna fix it. Okay, we're gonna start sanding with wet sandpaper with 2000, because ours are not as bad, but still pretty bad. So if they're really foggy, you need to use probably about 1500 and go to 2000 after that. You can see that yellowish film water coming out of it, and it's already even clearing. So you need to sand the whole headlight, and you need to tape around it to make sure that you don't sand the paint around the headlight. Be careful. I mean, if it's just a few scratches, it will buff out, but if you go through the paint, it won't come out. So sand the whole headlight like that. Okay, after you're done sanding, you need to rinse it off and dry it. Now what we're gonna use a 3M product, and this one is rubbing compound A, letter A, and this one is machine polish B. Okay, first we're gonna apply A with a wool pad. So we need to get some of A and apply to the headlight. You can use an applicator or you can apply it by hand. And then we need to buff it. In our case, we're gonna go about 1700 RPMs. I think that's the best, and don't spend too much time on one spot because you might melt the plastic, so you need to move quickly around the thing. Okay, now we're gonna use the foam pad with B. This one is B with foam pad, and again we need to apply on the headlight. This one is machine polish. It's gonna polish it real nice, and it's going to protect it from future fading. And this method, it should last you as long as new headlights, like to put new headlights on your car. And again, around 15 to 1700 RPMs. Okay, we're done polishing, and now all you need to do is just get a microfiber towel and clean from any wax. And as you can see, the headlight is like brand new again. It doesn't have any yellowish film on it, it's not foggy. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.